Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to rock that yellow. I've already washed my face and now I'm using Kama Ayurveda pure rose water and spritzing it all over my face. So I'll give it a minute or so that it gives me a boost of hydration and fan my face so that it dries out. You can also dab it into your skin. Whatever works for you guys, seriously. After that, I'm using my MAC Mineralize Prep Plus Prime. So guys, now I'll be using one of my favorites, Kama Ayurveda face cream all over my face. Currently I'm loving this product, guys. I just cannot keep it down, and I'm massaging the product in my face. And please excuse that dogs barking in the background. Please excuse the dogs that are barking in the background. I don't know who let the dogs out, guys. Anyway, so now I'm applying my Maybelline baby lips on my lips so that they're all soft and supple and hydrated and ready to take on my mattes. So now I am using my Maybelline Dream Satin Skin Liquid Foundation and applying it in dabbing motions, light dabbing motions all over my face. I really am kind of liking this foundation because it is not like matte. It is, as it says, it's a satin, so it gives you a very natural glowy kind of a finish, and currently I'm all in for it. So I am kind of blending my foundation out. As I said, keep on blending, keep on blending till your hands fall out, and probably you'll get a good base out of it. So anyways, guys, so now I'm using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer in my usual concealing area, that is under my eyes, my nose, my eyelids, in between my brows, my cupid's bow, and area near my lips. So that is what exactly I'm doing, and then making some silly faces because I'm weird that ways, and blending it out with my another current favorite product, that is Pack There was a huge blender sale on Nykaa on 29th of July for International Lipsticks Day, and me being me, I went in and thought I'll buy a lipstick or two, but ended up buying tons of makeup. Maybe not tons, but quite a bit of makeup. So do you guys also have similar kind of moments? Please let me know in the comment section. Don't leave me hanging alone. So now I'm using my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer because I wanted to brighten my under eyes and my, my eyelids and all. So I thought I'll use this concealer because it's a shade lighter and I love doing this. It really helps me, brighten my face up, giving it more dimension. So this is one trick I really like, and I am now just blending it away. Honestly, guys, I really think half my working hours are spent blending my makeup away. Honestly, sometimes I feel like that. So I'm blending some more, as you can see, and blending to get that flawless, beautiful base. That is the magic trick to blend. So now I'm using Lakme rose powder. It's a loose powder, and trying to bake my under eyes. I'm placing the product carefully under my eyes. So basically, baking helps your products so that they don't crease, they don't budge, they stay put for long hours. It's a very good technique. But guys, you definitely need to prep and prime your skin properly if you want to bake, because definitely baking does dry your skin out, and that is something we need to keep in mind before we are starting with our makeup, especially for dry and combination skin. So as you can see, I'm taking a fluffy brush, and now after 40 to 50 seconds I am dusting off all the excess product off my face, under my eyes, over my eyelids, on my forehead, everywhere where I had initially placed the product. I am now just very lightly dusting it off. So if you see carefully, I think my face is looking a little powdery, but it's okay, we can work with it. I'm using my MAC Studio Fix and spritzing it all over my face once again. This is a magical potion, you guys. It fixes all your problems. So I'm taking my beauty blender and patting it very lightly over my skin. So what it does, it picks up all the excess powders, and what Fix Plus does, it basically melts the powders and make your skin and your face look more put together. So combination of these two things, I like it. So now I'm onto my cream contour. I'm not feeling too much for powdery contour, so I'm doing my cream contour from LA Girl and placing the product on the hollows of my cheek, on my nose, and all the usual places where you basically contour, whether it is a jawline and maybe a forehead. I have a big forehead, so I definitely do my contour there. If you have a small forehead, you can basically skip that step. So now I'm placing my highlighter, my cream highlighter again from LA Girl, on my face, on the high points, on my chin, on my nose, on between my eyebrows and my highest part of my cheeks, and just blending it all away with my beauty blender, as you can see here. So guys, just let me know in the comment section if you would like to see another haul video for the products that I've just bought recently. They're all in transit, so do mention in the comment section. So now I'm using my Maybelline Fashion Brow Duo Shaper to shape my eyebrows. I'm taking the pencil side of it and filling in the gaps and very lightly imitating the pattern of my hair growth. So now I'm taking my Oriflame palette and I'm taking that a very light flesh tone brown on a fluffy blending brush and placing it on my crease. So guys, this palette has a very high sentimental value for me because that was the first palette that my mother bought for me. So though the pigmentation is not that great, as you guys can see, but I make do with what I have. So I'm using my Studio Fix on my brush, and this little hack works wonders. The pigmentation gets better, like 2 to 3 times better. So now I'm placing the same product on my crease and blending it out, and then I'm taking this cool toned brown and tapping off all the excess powder and placing it on the outer V of my eye and just enhancing the shape of that outer V and blending all the harsh edges if there are any. So that is exactly what I'm doing here. So guys, the pigmentation is really not that great, but as I told you, it has a high sentimental value for me, so I will never ever throw that away and kind of try and use it as much as I can. So guys, now I am taking that beautiful golden shade of and patting it on my lids. I really want to bring out the golden shade, but I am really working hard guys on it, but the pigmentation is a total fail. But still, let's work with what we have here. So once again, I'm trying to layer it and see if that makes any difference. It has made a difference, honestly, hands on my heart, but not up to the fullest potential or the kind of look that I want to create. So still I am blending out any harsh edges, if any there are, which if you have an eye for detail, you can definitely see there are certain harsh edges of golden and brown, so you definitely need to blend it. As you can see, not really happy with the pigmentation guys, especially of the gold shade. So I'm using Makeup Revolution foil eyeshadow in the shade rose gold, if I'm not wrong. I like to work with my hands with the foil eyeshadows and place it on the highest point of my lid. Guys, you need to work very quickly with these shadows. They do tend to set really fast. Now I'm taking that golden shade once again and going over the foil shadows so that now it can give me a pop of gold. So that is exactly what I'm doing. Then I'm taking that dark cooler tone brown and dragging it down my lower lash line just to give it a blown out and a complete look. So that is what I'm doing. Now I'm taking that highlighter shade and placing it on the inner corners of my eyes, and the highlighter shade is actually a little better than the rest of the shades, and placing it on the high points of my eyebrows to give a glaring contrast. So now I'm taking my Maybelline Colossal Kajal and placing it on my lower waterline, as you can see right here. Alright, so I wanted to show you something. It's raining and so much of monkey love. Wow, so cute. So now I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible Blush Sticks and very gently placing it on my cheeks in light with light hand and just patting it on my skin to give that very subtle and natural flushed out effect. So today I'll be using two liners. One is my liquid liner and one is my felt pen liner. See that tip? And I'm putting it on the outer triangle that I'd created with my black liner, and then I'm dragging it down on my lower lash line to give a more put together look, and making the blue a little more visible. After that, I'm using my Maybelline Falsies and applying it on my lash. So guys, if you want to see any in-depth review of any of the products that I've used today, do mention in the comment section and your wish will be my command. I will definitely give you an in-depth review of the same. So now that you can see I'm done with my mascara, I'm on to my lips. I'm using my Shampoo lip liner and outlining my lips. So guys, there's a detailed video on how to make your lips appear plumper that I've already done, which I will be linking somewhere on the screen and in the bottom bar. So now I'm using my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Morocco and applying it on my lips. And we're almost done, just using my Colourpop highlighter and placing it on the high points of my cheeks. As you can see right here, I love doing it, guys. I just love using highlighters. I don't know why this, using highlighters just give me a high on another level. I don't know why. So I'm using my highlighter on the high points of my face and just checking out if my whole look is put together, good enough for me to show, and just posing for you guys and posing some more, as you can see here. So guys, this is my final look. I hope you like it because I had a blast filming it with you guys, and I hope now you know how to rock yellow like boss. Because in monsoons when the days are dull, you need a little pop of color, and I think yellow just brightens the day up. I really hope you guys now know how to rock yellow like boss. And guys, if you like my video, then please give it a thumbs up, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel because it will mean a world to me. Alright guys, so now I gotta go, but I'll catch you later. Toodles.